Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So, starting where I left off yesterday, got this door put back together. I think my coworker pretty much finished that. Got the, just waiting for the light to come on, the card reader right here to open the door. Got that all done, mounted back onto the wall. A little bit flimsy right there. So anyways, moving on from there, this is what I worked on. This is the first wire mold that I've ever done. This is a metal wire mold. I think they make plastic ones. Don't quote me on that. But anyways, I didn't have the right hardware. Didn't have the mounting brackets, so basically just used the angle, the 90s right here to shoot 2 screws in. That one I think only has 1 screw on it because I couldn't get a second one. I can't remember. Anyways, got that all done. Just a 90 and a 90. Just basically for this one wire to come down. Don't know why they wanted a wire mold, but whatever. So I centered this sensor on the door. I forget what these sensors are for. Anyways, got that done, and then I will skip to the next part. I'll have to walk down for real quick down the hallway. All right, I don't know if someone's coming, but anyways, next there was a banana cable coiled up right here, and luckily the ceiling is open right there. Kind of hard to see because it's black. But anyways, just threw the wire down over the back side of the wall, cut a hole right here for a box, mounted that. Actually, not a box, it was a cut-in ring. So cut-in ring, mounted that, leveled it up, pulled the wire down. I did have to strip it out though, because like yesterday, 1 wire's going here, 1 wire's going to the other side of the door. So, and then the other 2 wires are coiled up in the wall, but didn't have the right screws for that because they were missing. So I just used some screws to temporarily hang that. And then the card reader on this side, this had a box, or not a box, but a mud ring or something already there. So I just pulled the wire down to this side, used a fish stick to angle shot it over to the other side of the wall, tied on my wire, pulled it down, made this up with the dolphins again, and then same with the other side. So this is card reader, the other one on the other side of the door is a push button, if that's the right term for it. Sorry, I don't know. I believe they call it push buttons. And then over here, coworker drilled a hole up here, fished this wire down to here. Had to, since this is double layer sheetrock, had to like shave a whole bunch of the sheetrock on the inside to get the fish stick up there. Got that up there, and then he tied it on, pulled it back down. Took this door apart, rewired this, and then I believe he rewired this as well. Yes, I believe so. And then the next part of the day, actually no, I skipped something already. So rewired, or not rewired, but wired this. There was a wire hanging down again. And because we did one yesterday and it took us forever, we knew how to do this one today, so it was super fast. So just got, and it was already kind of pre-made for us. So just hung the plate up there, just held the plate up there, made sure the notch for the wires was in the right spot. And then coworker got this sensor mounted right there. Once you got that sensor mounted and that wire poked out, took the other 3 wires and got them ready to go. Stuffed the extra wire back up in the hole, smashed the plate on there, and then mounted the metal bar on the back side, this metal bar up there, and then mounted the door magnet, and then wired the door magnet, pulled the wire through the hole, or whatnot, wired through the hole, wired it up. So that went pretty quick, that was nice. And then the last thing for the day, walk down here into this, I don't know if this is electric room or whatnot, data room. So I walk in here, mounted this cabinet right here, whatever you want to call that. and then there was a box right here for, I don't know, we were gonna pipe out into here for the power, but just basically took the box off of the wall, repiped this from here down into the box or the cabinet here. And this is hot, so got that all taped up. Anyways, and then got 3 sleeves coming in here. This is basically the panel for all the banana cables, all the stuff I just showed you guys, for all the access controls for the door magnets and all that stuff, the card readers and stuff. So all the banana cable, the other half of the banana cables, everything is done on the other half, and then all the other ones, all the other side of the cables come to here. And we're gonna do 3 2-inch EMT sleeves, which are right here. So those are gonna go up to the ceiling. Gonna cut some holes right here, but I'm not gonna be back here tomorrow, but that's what they're gonna do. About a piece of strut here, put those 3 pipes going up to the ceiling, bring all that wire down into the panel. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up my day. I'm trying to wrap up this video so I can go get to the car because parking's about to expire. Don't want to get a ticket. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks for the support. First video, 200,000 views today and hitting a million views today. So appreciate you guys for the support so much, haters included. If you got any questions or anything, or things you want to say, drop a comment in the comment section. Check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it and help out the channel. And I'd love to see the channel grow. Thanks guys so much. God bless. See you in the next video tomorrow. Peace out.